Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our finals.
I bet on Lee.
In this globally acclaimed culinary showdown, we will witness an extraordinary collision between tradition and innovation. Who will be the king of chefs? The historic moment of witnessing taste buds is about to be revealed.
Monica Rossi, Saburo Murakami, Catherine Chloe, Salman Singh,
Let us welcome the defending chef champion, David Starr.
Even your mom couldn't beat me. How can you?
And our challenger, Lindsay.
Do you know how many ways to cook fish? Use low heat, not high heat. Come on, come on! My boy, you can do it.
Darkness will eventually be dispelled by light. Wake up!
Hands up! Bring your dishes!
What is